So, hi folks, now I have to clear this area, which is going to be one not so small portion of the work that I have to do, which is because one of the walls for the workshop is going to be here. So I have to remove these stones in order to be able to dig the trench for the base. And the other wall will be like that here and like that. So this wall is going to be 5 meters, the other will be also 5 meters. And let me show you. So it's going to be up to here somewhere. Still I haven't done precise measurements. I will first clear this thing and then I'm gonna put twine cord to know where is gonna be the exact walls. I will move around the twine cord. You hear the cows and their bells. So the workshop will gonna be like that, and here's gonna be the other wall, the third wall, and the view will be towards there. I can show you how I will see the view from here. So this is gonna be my view from the workshop. This wall here is going to have a window, big window, to put more light towards here, and here is also gonna have a big door with another big window. And this is the northern wall. This is gonna be the northern wall here, which is going to be just a wall. And also this wall will also probably be just a wall, or I will see in the building process. I might put a small window in order to see if somebody is passing by, the pathway. Also on the back wall, on the northern wall, I can leave one small window with small curtain in order to see when somebody is coming from the back. And okay, well, I'm gonna show you now some labor work. So because I need to work, I think somewhere up to here is gonna be the wall. So this is must be dug out, and this is gonna be the base. Yes, I am still wondering how to do it, but definitely, because I was thinking maybe not to move these stones and put the base here, but this makes the smaller room, and I really want the wall to be up to here, and there is gonna be the pathway remaining over there behind, next to the wall of the workshop. So definitely let's uncover some old stonework which I will have to destroy. Now it's gonna be not so easy because everything is heavy. I don't know how to say in English. Everything has come in dirt. And for now, the stones I'm gonna put there. And later on, of course, we're gonna use to make the base with them. The wall will be a cob wall, but the base will be up to 50 centimeters above ground. It's gonna be a stone wall, and then from the stone wall up to the roofing is going to be really the cob part of the house with clay, dirt and straw, So these little stones I'm going to separate on a pile. because later on we're gonna need this for drainage, you know. We're gonna need this to put under the wall, inside the base trench. The first thing we're gonna put is small stones, so that this captures the water that going down to the trench, to the base of the wall. So I'm gonna gather a small pile, a big pile, probably until I finish here. It's gonna be a lot of little stones that I'm going to use for the drainage, you know. This one also. The bigger ones is better to be for, you know, for the wall building. Okay, every task takes time. Little by little we are going to uncover this old wall. Oh, some branches. I'm gonna remove these. Okay folks, I'm gonna come later with some update. When I do some job over here, I'm gonna make another video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more incoming future tips about your Cob house building. And of course, you can see the playlist on my channel titled Eco Cob House and Workshop. The first phase is now, this is gonna be the workshop, and the house is gonna be spring 2026, gonna be over there. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and also comment what you think. Do you have a dream to have your own Cob house? Thanks for watching, folks.